Hi, I'm Josh, Ooni Ambassador over at True Craft Barbecue. Today I have with me the Ooni Pizza Oven's Koda 16. The Ooni Pizza Oven's Koda 16 can reach temps of 950 degrees Fahrenheit with just a 20-minute preheat time. The stone that's inside it can cook 16-inch pizzas. It's a large enough cook space to cook any sort of pizza you want, whether right on the deck itself or in a pan. The shell is an insulated, powder-coated, all-carbon steel metal, making it retain heat like a champ so that way you can churn out awesome pizzas. This pizza oven is a favorite of mine because it is just so easy to set up and cook with. Let me show you what I mean. Setting up is easy. All you need to do to get the Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven ready to cook out of the box is to pop out the 3 feet and hook it up to your gas. You're going to need a standard propane gas canister, which you can find at your local gas supply store or hardware store. You'll be able to check if the canister has enough gas by lifting it up. If it feels light at all, you're going to need a top-up. Once your gas regulator is hooked up and turned on, there's a control knob on the side of the Ooni Koda 16. Turn it slowly for 5 seconds until you hear the ignition click. Hold down just for 5 seconds longer and release to fully power it on. From here, you have finite adjustment control. You have the ability to change the heat and size of the flame inside the oven with just a turn of the knob. If you find the flame shuts off after releasing the control dial, there's a simple solution. The inbuilt flame safety device cuts off gas if it detects low temperature and sometimes needs a little service after your cooks. Simply give the thermocouple here a little bit of a wipe and you'll be good to go. Ooni recommends you do this every 10 cooks. That's all you have to do. The flame is going to produce this beautiful waterfall effect, cooking the pizza from top to bottom at the same rate. The Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven takes only 20 minutes to reach up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, which leaves perfect time to prepare your pizza while you wait. Once the pizza is launched onto the 16-inch stone, let the L-shaped burner quickly cook the first half of the pizza. Now, to avoid burning your pizza with this intense heat, make sure you have your peel at the ready so that way you can turn the pizza. Slide it up and under, spin the pizza 180 degrees so that the less cooked side now faces the burner. 60 seconds are up, bam, your pizza is done. If you find the toppings or crust cook too fast before the base does, try to reduce the flame right after you launch the pizza. Use the gas dial to turn down the heat. Also, always make sure your stone is fully preheated before launching your pizza. You can check this using an Ooni infrared thermometer. When you're ready to turn it off, a simple click clockwise and it's off, ready to cool off, be covered, or just left out on your patio overnight. Make sure your gas is turned off and your regulator is removed from the canister. Leave your oven at least 1 hour to cool before you attempt to move it. The Ooni Koda 16 is only 40 pounds, making it easy to take off the table once it's cool and place it inside your garage or covered structure. The Ooni Koda 16 should be kept dry. If you have a cover, this will help protect the oven from scratches, dust, or light rain. I always recommend storing the oven in a dry covered area, ready for more awesome outdoor pizza cooking whenever you want. This should be on everyone's back porch.